create content that people want. How to hack content creation for beginners. How do you create content when you're just beginning? But the real question is, how do you create content that people are actually looking for and draws them in to want to read your content? In this video, we're going to talk about 3 steps to content creation that'll help you get in front of the right people and create content that they're looking for. There are many ways you can do this type of content creation, from videos, posts, to blogs. Content creation is so important in any business, and the reason why is it allows people to focus on who you are, see what you're all about, and more importantly, what you can do for them. One of the first things we're going to do is figure out what people are actually looking for. Like, why would you create content if people aren't looking for what you want to talk about, right? So this will be a foolproof way of figuring out what people are looking for right now. To get started in finding content ideas that people are actually looking for, we need to use a couple different websites. One of my favorites is actually answerthepublic.com, and you'll see it down below. When you're on answerthepublic.com, what it is a search engine to be able to find what people are actually looking for. So you can use, as it says, 1 to 2 words for best results. We typed in real estate, we picked the area we wanted to look. So we're saying the United States for content. On Answer the Public, you can also check on Google, you can check Bing, you can check YouTube, TikTok, Amazon, and now Instagram, depending on where you are most likely going to be posting your content. I still like Google and YouTube the most because that's what people are really looking for. Generally, these are still the top search engines that you'd be using. So I would stick with Google or YouTube. But if you're only doing videos on TikTok, be my guest and look at just on what's happening on TikTok, what people are looking for, and what's the most popular stuff on there. When I press search, I'm going to see all these different results that come up as of this month, what people are looking for. So right now, in the United States, for the word real estate as a whole, there's 368,000 search volume, which is very, very good. It means lots of people are interested in it, and it's a valuable one to be in. So we can also see what the cost per click is. This would just mean that if you had an ad, this is what it would be. But why I like this is that we can scroll down here and see the top, in this case, 143 questions that have been asked. With the free one, you're only going to see about half of them, but it's worth it for what you get. So in this case, what we're going to do is we're going to look around the circle. So how it works is this light color right here is the least that people have done that, and the most is going to be the bright orange, the heavier orange. So in this case, the most popular question with the will at the beginning is, will real estate prices go down? So the most popular answer is, will real estate prices go down for this particular category of the will? Questions that start with the are or the can or the how, we still look, again, we look down here at the bottom for the orange. Can real estate be a side hustle? And how real estate fortunes are made is another one. And the reason why we go by the colors is because we know when they block the data right here, in a free version, you'll always know that it's the orange one that is the most popular. And sometimes it's thousands upon thousands of people looking at it. So when real estate market will crash. So when will the real estate market crash is what people are looking for. The reason why this is important is if we took when will the real estate market crash as a suggestion of a topic for content, we can then put it in a list and create content based off of these topics that we think are the best ones on this wheel. Normally we would put about 20 of these ideas in here, between 10 and 20, but for this example, I'm going to show you just these 3. Another site that is fantastic in terms of finding content and actually creating videos from is called Syllabi. So for this example, I'll show you that we can look underneath Google, or we can look under Trends, YouTube, Instagram, Twitter, Pinterest, Bing, and TikTok. Now we're going to put real estate investing here, and we're going to put it as if we were looking on Google. We'll hit Discover Ideas. It's going to go through the motions, and what it's going to do is find what people are looking for, how often people are looking at it, and trends. So in this case, we can see that if we were to create a video or a piece of content about how to make money investing in real estate, we know 1,000 people are looking for that on an ongoing basis. The trend is going up, meaning that this is very popular, people are looking for it, and that it's got medium competition. So if you wanted to create content from that, you can copy and paste this here, or if you have Syllabi, you can create the video right here about it. Check out the link down below for Syllabi. You could also pick up any of these other topics. So let's just say we like this one. I'm going to put it in our list. We're going to grab This one, because it says 408, although it's trending down right now, I still think it's a valuable one to have. If you like this content, consider subscribing and liking. The second thing we want to do is, well, get ChatGPT or any other AI tool to help create the content for us and speed up the process. So you'll want to head over to chatgpt.com and enter this prompt. This prompt is also located down below, and you just want to press go. As you can see, it's created the real estate scripts. There's now 6 in here, and it's put it into the Google format that we requested. You can download it right here. You can now just open it up on your computer or in Google Drive, and this is the script that we got. Once we pull out the content, this is what we have. We have our title, we have the hook at the beginning of the content, the body, and a call to action. This content can be used as a video script, or it could be used as a single post script, an audio clip, a carousel, whatever works best for you. Always make sure you read through the content so it sounds like you. If it doesn't, make the changes. One of my favorite ways, if I'm not personally on the video, or if our clients are not on video, is to use syllabi to create faceless videos. So let's just take one of the scripts that we just had created. So this is the script. We're just going to take these pieces out because we don't need them. And we're going to copy this. Then we'll go over to syllabi. In syllabi, we'll just go ahead and create a faceless video. We can pick from an assortment of varieties of themes, the one that we prefer to work with. Our top one happens to be this one, hyperrealism. We're going to go for English. We like the subtitles to look a certain way. It'll have my voice, and it's going to be under 1 minute. Now what we're going to do is put this in here, and we're going to say that this is our custom script. So this is our custom script. And we're going to go ahead and say generate video here. So that video took about 2 minutes to create in syllabi. Another headline scare. Everyone wants to know if real estate. In creating content that you know what people are searching for, you then have a script writer to create it for you that you don't even have to be good at writing, and then piecing it either as a post, a carousel, a graphic, or a video, or even a faceless video. The key is that you have content that you can use on a daily basis without having to think too hard about what you want to create. You now have new tools in your new digital toolbox. Content-wise, videos are king in terms of getting in front of the right people and actually attracting the right people because of all the visual elements. So make sure that you consider doing video content more often than you do posts. One of the trends that's really kicking butt these days is faceless videos. And the reason why is it allows you to create content very quickly without having to do a lot of work for it, nor having to put your face on the video. So if that sounds like something that you would like to look into and be able to create content very, very quickly, check out this video right here and find out more about digital marketing tips right here. No. Did you see this on my shoulder? Happy content creating.